In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CMYK here in Canva. Now, you've created your design and you want to download in CMYK format. Now, the only option that we can do this with is with a PDF. So if we come over to Share just here, then if we come down to Download, we actually want to click onto here and choose PDF Print. Now, if we click on PDF Standard, there is no option for CMYK. But if we click on PDF Print, then if we look here where it says Color Profile, we have RGB, which is actually best for digital use, and then there's CMYK. Now, if we look just here right next to it, there is a little crown icon, which does mean that this is a Canva Pro feature. So if you do not have Canva Pro, you cannot download as CMYK. But nonetheless, now if we choose this, then if we click download, we now have our design in PDF format and as CMYK. So that's how you can use CMYK here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.